Hi everyone, today we're going to be using the Sagan Life AquaBrick Food Storage Container Kit to be storing food for one of our family members that we don't want to forget about, and that is our pets. Our pets, whether you have rabbits, chickens, ducks, dogs, or cats, they all need food, and they're going to need food especially during an emergency. The AquaBrick container is a great way to store that food to keep it safe from rodents, the elements, as well as just have a nice portable container that you can just throw in your car and evacuate with should you need to. So today we're going to be packaging dog food, but it's going to be the same process for any type of animal food that you have. So we're going to go ahead and do that. As part of the kit, you do receive some oxygen packets, oxygen absorbers. You're not going to need that for your pet food because it's high in fat and moisture, and so the packets won't do very good with that. So these will still have about a year's shelf life, so that you can just rotate through those as you use them and as you need to. But it's nice to have that comfort feeling that you know that you've got your pet taken care of in times of emergency. You don't have to think about it. So first off, we're going to go ahead and take our AquaBrick, take our Aqua Funnel and put it on there nice and snug, and have that nice wide mouth open area. We're going to go ahead and take our bag here, which is quite heavy. Try not to make a mess. And fill it up a little bit at a time. Now we're just going to do a little bit at a time and shake that and make sure that's tapped down so that you can get as much food in there as possible. And we're going to have to do that again. Once that funnel's a little bit full, we're just going to shake that, tap it a few times, get as much in there as we possibly can. Looks like I can get a little bit more in there, so let's go ahead and do that. Not too much more, but alrighty, we got that in there. Once that's full, go ahead and take your AquaBrick and we're going to seal that up nice and tight. And there you have it. You have 3 gallons of about 20 pounds of food for your pet, should that emergency need to be used. So hope you enjoyed the video, and go ahead and look at the down below in the links and find the link to the AquaBrick food prep kit. And if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks and have a good day.